Welcome to miniOrange. Today we are going to see how to configure Duo Push Authenticator for two-factor authentication. Click on the miniOrange two-factor plugin from the left menu bar. Click on Configure button. Step 1. Go to the Click Here link and create a Duo admin account if you don't have one. To create a Duo account, please fill in the basic details and verify yourself. Click on the Start My Trial button. Your account is being created. Go to your mailbox to complete the rest of the registration process. Click on the Verify Your Email button. Click on the Get Started button. Create your own admin password. Confirm your password. Click on Continue. Scan the barcode from the Duo app installed in your phone. You can see account is added successfully. You see a right tick on the barcode. Click on Continue. Click on the Continue button. Click on the Continue to Duo Admin Panel Login button. Click on the Continue button. Enter the password and log in. You can select any of the two methods to confirm your identity. I am selecting Duo Push. Duo Push notification has been sent to your mobile phone. Click on Approve to accept login request. Go to Applications and then click on Product and Application. Search for Auth API. Then click on the Product button. Auth API is added to protected applications successfully. Now copy the key details and paste it to miniOrange two-factor plugin. Click on the Save button. Settings saved successfully. First download the Duo Authenticator app from respective Play Stores. Then click on Configure your phone. The first step is to click on the given link. Click on the Start Setup button. Click on Continue. Now, select the country from the drop-down menu. Then enter your mobile number. Click on the checkbox and then click Continue. Choose the type of phone you have. I am choosing Android. And click on Continue. Now, you have already downloaded the Duo mobile app, so click on the I have Duo mobile installed button. Scan the barcode from Duo mobile app. You can see account is added successfully. You see a right tick on the barcode. Click on the Continue button. Choose from the drop-down menu Automatically send this device a Duo Push option. Click on the Finish Enrollment button. You have successfully enrolled yourself and completed the first step of the process. Now, in the second step, click on the Send Me Push Notification button. You will receive Duo Push notification on your mobile app. Click on the Approve. Validation of Duo Push notification is successful. You can see Duo Authenticator method is configured successfully. Now, let us log out and test whether we receive Duo Push notification while logging in. Now let's try logging into WordPress. Click on Approve to accept login request. You have successfully logged into your WordPress account. Thanks for watching and check out the premium version of miniOrange today.